Hi everyone, I am Dr.V.Pavithra, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, K.C.S. Nadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to learn about importance and significance of the study of economics. First of all, in simple words, economics is a science which studies the economic activities of the man and of the community. So always a man satisfying their unlimited wants with the limited resource. This subject plays a significant role in the international affairs, helping in solving many problems and has practical advantages. In the point of view, the individuals satisfying their wants with the scarce resources. The knowledge of economics is essential to conquer the poverty of the millions of people to raise the standard of living of the people in the point of view of the community. Without the knowledge of economics, it's possible to working in the administrative system, etc. In real life, the subject, the businessman, industrialist, and the bankers, the labor leaders, and others in make use of the modern methods of production at lower cost. Supply of money, effective credit system, and effective working of banking system can be held in the country only by having a thorough knowledge of economics by the people who administer these sectors. So, economics will much helpful to understand many economic programs presented by the politicians and judge the truth of the statements. This subject tells about how the complex forces work in the economic system and how the action in one sector affect the another sector. Economics is useful to the householder in utilizing the little income to get the maximum satisfaction by proper budgeting and careful spending. The studying economic provides a deeper understanding of the world and empowers the individuals to make informed decisions in all the aspects of their lives. A strong understanding of economics opens doors to various careers, including finance, banking, consulting, and economic opportunities. The economic vastly complements the not only the major and also the business majors like accounting, marketing, or finance contain the economic theories, principles, laws, definitions, or concepts in their curricula, but also non business majors like journalism and computer science are interconnected to the economics. Thank you.